What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's finally time to get it started and install the LSA. So we'll show you the parts we've got it so far. We spent about how much, like 8 to 10 grand so far,
like 8K. And still missing a bunch
with
of
the
pieces.
LSA and all the accessories. What are we missing? Nothing much.
Fuel regulator, fuel pump,
just like fuel system stuff. So here's the blower. Here's all the little parts
the
for
components for the blower.
There's
all our gaskets. Our mechanic told us to get LS7 7-layer head gaskets, and all the rest are Velcro. So we're gonna pull out the complete motor, right, Luis?
Yeah, we're taking out the whole motor. So we got this. So we're also gonna be installing a stage 2 cam from what is it? BTR. So Brian Tooley Racing, a stage 2 boost cam. Nothing crazy because we live in California, so we don't want to get.
Right here we got the heat exchanger intercooler.
Intercooler.
We still gotta get hoses for all of that.
And then what is that? The cover.
Right here we have the.
This is what Danny got us.
My boy Danny from Trucking Around.
Danny.
Good looking. He got us the little red LSA cover that goes around it, and those are the fuel rails.
The fuel rails. And my boy Danny, Trucking Around. My boy came through with the LSA cover.
Can't thank him enough. He got us this cover.
Yes, sir.
And this reservoir. There's a reservoir with a catch can from Project Torque, right? Made by JR.
JR Fab.
JR Fab, check him out. They get down with everything.
Yes, sir. That reservoir catch can is bad. And then we also got
this one right here is the radiator. It's like the 2500 one. It's just a heavy duty one.
And then we also have to get electric fans. We haven't opened the box yet, but electric fans. So now we're not gonna be doing the work here because we don't have space.
Not that much space here, so we're gonna be going on to my.
Don't worry where we live, but we're gonna try to get it started. We got 2 weeks.
Not even 2 weeks. We got a week and a half.
A week and a half, cause
slap on the blower.
Get it tuned.
We got a little bit more surprises too that we just can't say. You wanna tell them?
We might get some wheels, but I'm not gonna say what kind of wheels. They're gonna be one of a kind wheels.
And then also we are gonna be getting a hood from Street Concept. Yes. One of a kind, we don't like
go one off because it's us. We gotta be different. It's it's good to be different from everybody else so you can stand out.
So hopefully by the show it's gonna look completely different.
We're hoping we're able to get it tuned and make it to the show with the truck.
We're not gonna rush it, right? We're not gonna rush it, but we're on a crunch time.
We're not rushing, but we're rushing. But we're on a crunch time. We got 10 days, my boy.
That's all anything,
anything, my boy. My cousin Otto's gonna be doing the work.
If y'all know him,
he's gonna leave his Instagram. Please give him a follow. My boy be killing these streets.
Hit him up. Tell him to get it ready for Trucking Madness because we need it. We need to get it cracking over there.
Yes, sir. And that's about it for now. He's starting today. He's gonna take out the whole motor. We're gonna be cleaning it.
They're just gonna clean it, right? They're just gonna be cleaning it. We have the heads right now getting cleaned with all new valve springs, everything. So
everything. Well, we have to do all
we already have a torque converter on the way. My boy's TCR.
TCR was it? Torque converter
rebuilt.
I'm gonna leave his Instagram here too. Please give him a follow. You ever need a new converter
or your transmission rebuild? He's located in Las Vegas. He does from a rebuild.
He does, I think, motor work too. He does all kinds of shit in his shop, but
from a rebuild to a stage 3, 4.
Whatever you want to do to your transmission, my boy gets down. Give him a follow. All right, so we're gonna go and show you guys where we're gonna leave the truck and set up everything for my boy Otto. And just like that motor is gonna be out. So I'm not gonna be here. My brother will probably be there recording. But next clip, this is done.
Right there.
So within like what, 2 o'clock he's gonna be here.
By 2 he'll be here.
So this motor will be gone
by tonight.
So he said he takes what, about an hour or less.
It's like an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. Take out the whole motor. We're gonna be sending it out to get cleaned. We are gonna need a new intake, huh?
Well, he was saying that we could get a elbow to go back over here. We don't want to replace it, because then we gotta do it back over to this side. We gotta
replace the battery.
We gotta relocate the battery.
I don't know.
But
Sounds like.
just going back that way.
So she won't stay here for right now. I got things to do with Danny. He's gonna go back to work, but you're gonna be back to record when he's here. So my brother's gonna take care of the rest of the recording, and we're out of here.
All right, we're here now with my cousin Otto. He's gonna be giving you guys a little rundown of everything he's gonna be getting done to it.
So
all right, so tell him.
Damn. Basically, we're just gonna make it easy. We're basically gonna pull the long block out. We're gonna do a little baby overhaul, just basically all the gaskets. We're gonna put new cam bearings for the cam. We're gonna put a cam in there and some 243 heads. And basically, we're gonna put a supercharger on it. You know?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I was tripping out like that. It's been like 3 weeks or something. The only thing is, we gotta check right now. I think we have the wrong head bolts.
We got what?
The wrong head.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I think they're the wrong ones.
So I don't know. Oh shit! So my brother recorded a time lapse of them taking out the motor, but I think it got corrupted somehow. So now you can see the motor is out. We sent it out with the machine guy to get cleaned up and put what new
cam bearings, yeah.
And so we're gonna be cleaning up the whole motor. And what else are we doing?
He said it looked really healthy too.
Okay, so he said, all right, look, there's oil, no?
Yeah, it's the oil.
He checked out the oil. He was like, you guys better hope there's no gunk up in there. And thank God the motor was healthy, and we don't have to do anything else for now. But he gave us another list that we gotta order, which was a new throttle body and other
throttle body adapter spacer,
and all kinds of stuff. But the list goes on.
The oil pressure sensor, the water pump. He said the 07 and 13 water pump is better than the 99 and 06.
All right. So as you can see, it's messy in here, so we're gonna power wash it in here later on. But this is gonna be the part 1. And part 2 is going to be already installing the motor.
Yeah, they're going to be throwing it back in. Well, I think they're going to be assembling it out here first.
Okay,
putting
so
everything
yeah,
on
that's it. But for part 1, this is all we got. We're going to have to replace the battery because with the blower.
The blower's nozzle exits to the driver's side,
so
and
this is gonna be on
it's
the
regularly
way.
on this side.
So it's going to be in the way of the air intake. So we're going to throw the battery.
It's coming right here.
Corner, and we're going to leave this one like this.
This one was supposed to first be right here. It bolts on with this to this, but I don't know. They have a different.
Right here.
He said we could do that as well.
So it's better for this one just to sit right there.
We could do it.
Well, what do you guys think? Would it be better right here? This video should be dropping tonight. So what do you guys think? Look good right here or over there? Leave a comment. We still got like 5 days left, because if we can't tune it, then we can't drive it. And if we can't drive it, we can't take it to the show.
Hopefully, if he's talking to Kike about all the fuel system and everything. Yeah, he was gonna talk to him about that. He's there today. Hopefully, we could get it tuned with him. Put it on the roller. Put it actually on the roller to get it.
I'm scared of the roller
To see exactly what it's gonna do. He said
if you guys don't know, well, I'm sure you guys do. This truck is a 4.8, and 4.8s come with
a 4L
shitty ass 4L60s. But he said what it would look healthy on the what's it called? No, it look good on
the converter looks good. The converter looks good. It doesn't look beat up.
But we're gonna be changing that converter with my boy TCR. We should be getting it one of these days. Damn.
Tonight, I think Danny already picked it up. Probably.
So Danny trucking around. Hopefully he picked it up, because we already got one from my boy TCR out in Vegas. And that's it for that. And we're just waiting on other parts with my dad to get here so we can install everything mostly.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of little sensors that he wants to change out for the most part.
We're waiting for the motor to come back from the machine shop from getting cleaned and new cam bearings. And other than that, I think we're ready to go for the
heads haven't got here. They should be in tomorrow too.
What we do, we clean the new heads, 243 heads, no?
Yeah, and we took all the new springs and everything that includes
so that's
the rebuild
taken care of since last week. And other than that, I think we're ready to go for the next.
We need a fuel regulator too. A fuel regulator, but he said he found out. I sent the Lawrence Tolman's YouTube channel. And he checked out his video. He said that he liked his video, how he showed it, and he said he was gonna steal a few ideas from there too. So
and what we're gonna do, because you know how some of the wires go.
Yeah, so the harness, the main harness, which is this one right here, it sits on top of the. Well, it sits on top of the cover. It sits on top of this Vortex cover, and it's gonna look horrible with it right there. So my cousin's gonna reroute it through the back, make it look nice, and then we still got a bunch of stuff to do.
We are on that truck and madness crunch time. Today is September. Today is
my boy's
March
Leo.
10th, my boy, and the show is March 19th. So we got at least 5-6 days left, which I think it'll happen. We're not gonna. Well, we're going to Arizona, so we're gonna be going to Arizona Truck Invasion this weekend, and we're hoping we get some work back from a machine shop or whatever.
Hopefully the motor is back already, so we could have it already by my cousin. By
So
the
we can
time
do
we
some
come
work
back,
during the weekend.
it's already getting ready to put back. If it's not, you know, we'll wait till Monday or Sunday, whatever. you
Yeah,
know.
and if his guy can't tune it, I have a guy at work that his cousin tunes, and maybe he can do it, maybe. But
We'll see. There's
see. If the truck can't make it, that's gonna suck. 'Cause that's where I really want this truck to be at. But if it can't make it,
I posted the thing about both the Duramax and the step side being down, and then Junior, our neighbor, he's like, and the OBS too.
that
So
one,
it's all of
we're
them.
not bringing that one. But sad part is, we have no truck at the house right now.
Put it right there, how it's looking right now with the bed on the truck.
I think I posted it already. I'll post
No,
another
with the
photo.
bed.
With the bed, that shit. But that's it for the truck. He said the truck is low as hell. And it was hard to get in there, no?
Yeah, he struggled a little bit, and he's a little hefty like us too.
Yeah,
So
he's a little bit slimmer than me. I'm not slim, but he's slimmer. But that's it for the truck. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have any questions? Drop a comment. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. We're out.